Hello guys and welcome to Delph Stack. In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix voice dictation not working on an iPhone. First, make sure you have an active internet connection. Dictation needs Wi-Fi or mobile data, so make sure you are connected. If that doesn't help, head over to Settings, then go to General. Scroll down until you find Keyboard. Then scroll to the bottom and make sure Enable Dictation is on. If it is on and the issue is still there, toggle it off and then turn it on again. If that didn't work, go back and tap Apple Intelligence and Siri. Tap Talk to Siri, turn it off, then turn it on again. After that, open the Notes app, tap the microphone on your keyboard, and speak clearly. If that still doesn't work, go back to Settings, open General, and make sure your software is updated to the latest version. You can also go to Privacy and Security, then tap Microphone. Make sure the app you are using has microphone access enabled. Those are a few ways to fix voice dictation not working on iPhone. If you found this helpful, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.